Chapter 8 Learning QBasic. In the chapter, Features of QBasic, Starting QBasic, Elements of QBasic, Starting a new program, Text graphics, Exiting QBasic, Where is QBasic, Parts of QBasic screen, Opening a saved program, Printing, Hierarchy of arithmetic operations. QBasic is a high-level programming language developed by Microsoft Corporation in 1985. It is modular programming language where program is divided in different modules or procedures. QBasic is easy to learn. It uses English-like keywords and mathematical symbols to write a program. To communicate with a computer, a programming language has its specific keywords and syntax. QBasic also has its own keywords and syntax. Features of QBasic. It is simple and easy to learn. It automatically checks syntax. QBasic interprets a statement of a program at a time to CPU. It has dynamic program debugging feature. It supports local and global variables. It capitalizes the reserved words, keywords automatically. It allows you to break lengthy programs into modules. Where is QBasic? QBasic is a beginner computer language made by Microsoft. If QBasic is not on your computer, don't bother, you can download it from the internet and create the shortcut QBasic program on your desktop. Starting QBasic. Double-click on the QBasic icon on your desktop. A QBasic welcome screen appears as shown in the given figure. Press the Escape key to hide the copyright dialog box. Parts of QBasic screen. QBasic screen has various components. These are shown on screen in the figure given below. The cursor displayed in the upper left corner of the editing screen. Commands and programs are typed in the editing screen, and the result is displayed in the output screen as shown in the given figure. Elements of QBasic. Elements of QBasic system consist of the character set, keywords, etc. These are described below. Character set. A set of characters that are allowed to use in QBasic is known as the QBasic character set. The QBasic character set consists of alphabets, both small and capital, numbers 0 to 9, and special characters. These special characters have their own meaning and function. The table below shows the special characters used in QBasic. Special characters. Operator. Operators are symbols that indicate the type of operation. QBasic has to perform on the data or on the values of variables. There are three types of operators in QBasic. They are mathematical operators. The table contains the type of mathematical operators available in QBasic. Operators. Meanings. Addition or unary plus. Subtraction or unary minus. Multiplication. Division. Modulo division. Relational operators. The table contains the types of relational operators available in QBasic. Operators. Meanings. Equal to. Less than. Greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. Logical operators. The table contains the types of logical operators available in QBasic. Operators. Meanings. Logical and, logical or, logical not. Keywords. Keywords are the words that have a special meaning and function for the computer. They are also called reserved words. Some QBasic keywords are print, CLS, input, end, rem, for, du, if, and so on. Program. The computer requires the instructions that tell it what to do and how to do it. A program is a set of instructions given to the computer. Each given instruction must be on a new line. The last instruction should be end in a program. To execute or run a program, you have to press the F5 key. This makes the computer carry out all the instructions given in the program in a sequence. The output is displayed on the output screen. Saving a program. Let us learn to save a QBasic program. 1. From the File menu, select Save As. The Save As dialog box appears. 2. Enter a file name in the File Name text box. 3. Choose the drive or directory in which you want to save the file in. 4. Click on the OK button. Browser. All QBasic files are saved with the extension .bas. Opening a saved program. Let us learn to open a saved program. 1. Select Open from the File menu. The Open dialog box appears. 2. Choose the drive or directory that exists in your saved file. 3. Enter a file name in the File Name text box or select the file name from the list displayed. 4. Click on the OK button. Browser. You can also execute a program with the help of F5 key. Starting a new program. Let us learn to start a new program. 1. Click on File menu. 2. Select New. 3. If a file is open and any changes have been done. QBasic asks whether you want to save it or not. 4. Click on Yes to save the open file. 5. Click on No if you don't want to save the change. Printing. The print command is used to show data on the screen. Characters, sentences, text, and numbers are printed using the print command. Printing characters, sentences, and text. To make the computer display text, enter print followed by the text inside quotation marks. When you press F5 key, you will see the screen as shown in the figure in next page. Print. QBasic command for outputting data on the screen. Books and copies. Data that the computer will print on the screen will be exactly the same as it appears in the quotes. Press any key to get back to QBasic editor screen. Now type a sample program on your computer screen. CLS. Rem. My favorite necessary rhyme. Print. Double quotes, jingle bells, jingle bells. Print, double quotes, jingle all the way. Print, double quotes, Santa Claus is coming along. Print, double quotes, riding down this way. Print, double quotes, jingle bells, jingle bells. Print, double quotes, jingle all the way. Print, double quotes, oh what fun it is to ride. Print, double quotes, on a one-horse open sleigh. End. Press the F5 key to view the output of the program. Note that the computer runs all your commands in the same order as you typed them in the program. It will first clear the screen as the executed command was CLS. Also, the rem command is not displayed in the output. Browser. CLS stands for Clear Screen. It is used to clear the output screen. Rem stands for Remark. Any comment can be put in the rem command. The computer does not display the rem command when you run the program. Text graphics. The print command can also be used to print out shapes and pictures made of special characters from the keyboard. For example, the program given below displays an Xmas tree as shown in the given figure. Printing numbers and doing sums. The print command can also be used for displaying numbers and performing calculations. Example, print 456. Note that you do not need to put numbers in quotes. The print command is followed by a calculation. It tells the computer to work out the problem and shows the answer of calculation on screen. These arithmetic operators are used for calculations. For addition, for subtraction, for multiplication, for division, for exponentiation, raised to the power. Example, the following program calculates the meters in a kilometer. Rem, here you are doing a sum program. CLS, print there are, print 1000 multiplied 1, print double quotes meters in a kilometer, end. If you want to print more than one item in a line, separate them with a semicolon or a comma. Using a semicolon will print both items close together. A comma will put some space between items. Example, print double quotes eraser, semicolon double quotes pencils will print eraser pencils, and print double quotes eraser, comma double quotes pencils will print eraser pencils. Hierarchy of arithmetic operations. B brackets first. O orders powers. DM division and multiplication left to right. AS addition and subtraction left to right. The computer system also uses this order to calculate the value of different expressions. What do you think the output of the following print command is? Print 20 minus 5 plus 18 divided by 6 multiplied with 2. 1. Brackets first, 15 plus 18 divided by 6 multiplied by 2. 2. Going from left to right, divide 15 plus 3 multiplied by 2. 3. Multiply 15 plus 6. 4. Add 21. Therefore, the output comes as 21. Exiting QBasic. Let us learn to exit from QBasic. 1. From the File menu, select Exit. 2. If a file is open and any changes have been done, QBasic asks whether you want to save it or not. 3. Click on Yes to save the open file. 4. Click on No if you don't want to save the changes. Review. QBasic is developed in 1985. QBasic interprets a statement of a program at a time to CPU. You can download QBasic from the internet and can create a shortcut QBasic program on your desktop. Elements of QBasic system consist of the character set, keywords, etc. Some of the QBasic keywords are print, CLS, input, end, rem, for, du, if, and so on.